Candle patterns are very interesting for traders due to their simplicity, elegance and natural interpretation of market sentiment. To support such analysis, we have a dedicated screener for candlesticks.
Candlesticks are graphical representations of price movements for a given period of time. They are commonly formed by the opening, high, low, and closing prices of a financial instrument. If the opening price is above the closing price, then a filled candlestick, normally red, is drawn. If the closing price is above the opening price, then normally a green or hollow candlestick is shown. The filled or hollow portion of the candle is known as the body or real body, and can be long, normal, or short depending on its proportion to the lines above or below it. The lines above and below, known as shadows, tails, or wicks, represent the high and low price ranges within a specified time period. However, not all candlesticks have shadows. Over time, individual candlesticks form patterns that traders can use to recognize major support and resistance levels. There are a great many candlestick patterns that indicate an opportunity within a market. Some provide insight into the balance between buying and selling pressures, while others identify continuation patterns or market indecision.
In the top navigation, select the Screener tab and go to Candlestick. You will see three main sections on the screen. On the right, you can select the parameters for your filter. You can select the watch lists you would like to screen, and you can select the interval, hence daily, weekly or monthly candles. The filter will always be based on the previous closing candle. On the left, you will see the result, telling you the stock and the identified pattern. On the bottom you will get a description for the identified patterns. Note that you only see the relevant patterns for the current result. This is to keep it simple and easy to use. Now, to dive deeper into the result, you have two possibilities. Firstly, you might want to click on the security's name to go to the detail page. The other option is to click on the pattern itself to be redirected to the confidence page for this security and the identified pattern. Here you can get an analysis of the previous occurrences of that pattern. On the right, you see the statistics giving you details about the different forward statistics. They show you how well the price of the asset performed after the signal occurred. The statistics show you the confidence level based on T statistics, as well as the number of cases the price went up after the specified number of days. On the left, you see a chart of that security in the past. To make it easier to spot and understand the previous situations, we only show 12 months and have therefore multiple 12 months intervals. On the bottom, again, we give you some details about the sentiment of this pattern as well as some further details.
The content in this video and on the website is for general information only and is not a recommendation to buy or sell specific financial instruments and therefore does not constitute investment advice. In particular, we cannot assess the extent to which the statements made are related to your investment goals, your risk tolerance and loss-bearing capacity correspond. Anyone who makes any investment decisions based on the information in this video is solely at their own risk and responsibility. And that in turn means that we are not liable for any losses you suffer as a result of making investment decisions based on information or comments from this video.
Die Inhalte in diesem Video und auf der Webseite dienen ausschließlich der allgemeinen Information und sind keine Empfehlung zum Erwerb oder der Veräußerung bestimmter Finanzinstrumente und stellen somit keine Anlageberatung dar. Insbesondere können wir nicht einschätzen, inwiefern die gemachten Aussagen ihren Anlagezielen, ihrer Risikobereitschaft und Verlusttragfähigkeit entsprechen. Wer also auf Basis von Informationen in diesem Video etwaige Anlageentscheidungen trifft diese ausschließlich auf eigene Verantwortung und eigene Gefahr. Und das wiederum bedeutet, dass wir nicht für Verluste haften, die Sie dadurch erleiden, dass Sie Anlageentscheidungen aufgrund von Informationen oder Kommentaren aus diesem Video getroffen haben.